Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make cheese chicken katsu that's crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. The ingredients are sliced chicken fillet, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, and seasonings such as salt, ground pepper, mushroom stock, and cheese. Don't forget to prepare 1 egg as well. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. First, place the chicken pieces on a plate. Add seasonings such as salt, ground pepper, and mushroom stock to the chicken according to your taste. After marinating, it will look like this. And finally, for the egg we prepared earlier, don't forget to crack and beat it for a few minutes. Step 2. Coating the chicken. Next, prepare 4 separate bowls. Now, stuff the chicken with cheese and coat the chicken evenly with all-purpose flour. Dip it into the beaten egg. Don't forget to roll the chicken in breadcrumbs until fully covered. Press it slightly to make sure the coating sticks well. And here's the result. The chicken is now coated with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Step 3. Frying the chicken. First, pour oil into a pan. Heat the oil over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place the coated chicken into the pan. Fry the chicken until it turns golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Flip the chicken to cook evenly. Once cooked, remove the chicken and drain it on paper towels to reduce excess oil. Step 4. Serving. Our cheese chicken katsu is ready. Let's see how melty the cheese is. Serve it with chili sauce, ketchup, or mayonnaise according to your preference. Don't forget to try this at home. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.